Hello, this is Sam from learntofast.com. In this video, we discuss about how to plot 3D graphs in Matlab. First of all, we have to define a grid of xy points. For example, we can define x equals lane space minus 2 and 2, which has 100 points between minus 2 and 2. For example, here you can see in workspace, x has 100 values between minus 2 and 2. Next, we can define y. We can define y equal to x, for example, here, y lane space minus 2 and 2, which has the same amount of values as x. In the next step, we can use command mesh grid to replicate the grid vectors y and x to produce a full grid. Here we say x and y equals mesh grid x and y. So by using mesh grid, you can replicate the values of the xy and produce a full grid. The value of x, here the rows are replicated to 100 values, and in y the columns are replicated to 100 values. Then we should apply the function to the grid to achieve z values. For example, we define z equals so here z has the same amount of values as x and y. The reason we use dot is that we want to multiply element by element. Then finally we can plot the resulting mesh. We use mesh command x, y, and z. Here you can see the figure looks like a surface. You can use this button for changing the position.